Hello, my dear students. Once again, I welcome you to the e-class of General Knowledge of St. Joseph's Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. And I am your Sarika Sharma ma'am, your General Knowledge teacher. Hope you all are safe at home and doing well. Children, as you know that we have already finished the syllabus of the first term, that is of half yearly examination. So we will just do the revision from lesson number 16 to lesson number 21. So in this session we will revise from lesson number 16 to lesson number 21. First of all, this is the revision test 1. Match the following. Children, here are the cities and that side, B side, you have the rivers. Agra, you have to match. Agra, Hampi, Nashik, Haridwar, Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Manali, Kota, Surat, Jabalpur. And the another side you have the rivers name. B's, Sabarmati, Jhelum, Narmada, Tapti, Yamuna, Ganga, Godavari, Tungbhadra and Gomti. You have to match these famous Indian cities with the rivers they are located on. So you children, you can write the question. Now, have you seen Agra? So just see the answer. Agra. Agra, which river flows? It is Yamuna. Then second, Hampi. The answer is, please check your answer, Tungbhadra. Third, Nashik. And the river is Godavari. Fourth, Haridwar. The river is Ganga. Fifth, Ahmedabad. And the correct answer is Sabarmati. Number 6, Lucknow. And the river flows Gomti. Next children, Manali. The city name is Manali and the river flows Bees. Kota. The river flows Jhelum. Surat. The river flows Tapti. Jabalpur. The river flows Narmada. Children, so you can just write it once, the city name, and that side you just write the answer. Like Agra you are writing, so you just write the correct river name, that is Yamuna. Hampi, you write the correct name children. Hampi is a city name. So which river flows near Hampi? It is Tungbhadra. So you write the correct answer, and after doing that, you just check your answer from the answer list which I have given you. I hope you understood how you have to do this work. You write the city's name and you write the correct river name in front of the city name, and afterwards you can check your answers. Next, write the capitals of the following country. And from which lesson we are doing the revision children? We are doing the revision from lesson number 16 to lesson number 21. Write the capitals of the following country. This is the revision of lesson number 20. Bangladesh. What is the, write the capital children. Next, Pakistan. Write the capital. Then Sri Lanka. Write the capital. Then China. Write the capital. And at last, Bhutan. You please write the capital of these country. Okay. Now I'll show you the answers. Bangladesh, Dhaka. Pakistan, Islamabad, Islamabad, Islamabad. Sri Lanka, Colombo. China, Beijing, Beijing. And the last is Bhutan, and the capital is Thimphu. Again, how you have to do this? First you write this question. Write the capital yourself, and then you check the answer from the answer list which is given by me. I have written the answers. You can check the answers from the answer list. Next, children, write the festival related to the following dishes. Children, I have been giving some dishes to you, and just you write the festival name. The first is Tilpitha, Payasam, Gujia, Meetha Chawal, and the last is plum cake. Children, again, as I told you that you have to write the question first, and then you write the correct answer, and then check your answer from the answer list. So, write the festival related to the following dishes. You write Tilpitha, Payasam, Gujia, Meetha Chawal, plum cake. Now, it's time to check your answers. The first was Tilpitha. It was related to the festival Bihu, Bihu, Bihu. The next was Payasam, and Payasam is related to Onam. The next, third number, Gujia, festival Holi. Meetha Chawal, festival Basant Panchami, and the last plum cake, and the answer is Christmas. So children, you just check your answers. Check your answers with the spellings. Spelling should be correct. Next, write any three historical portraits. Write any three historical portraits, children. You know that you just have so many. You know there are so many historical portraits like Shah Jahan, Tipu Sultan, Guru Gobind Singh, Mirabai, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Shivaji. Out of them, you have to write any three historical portraits. I have written Shivaji, Shivagi, Mirabai, Mirabai, and I have written Akbar, Akbar. You can write Maharana Pratap, Guru Gobind Singh, Tipu Sultan. This is the chapter number 18. The question has been taken from the question chapter number 18. So first you write three historical portraits and then check your answer. Next, my dear student, name the following. Again, first you write the question. Read the question carefully. He was an Indian astrophysicist. He invented an instrument to measure the weight and pressure of solar rays. I repeat, he was an Indian astrophysicist. He invented an instrument to measure the weight and pressure of solar rays. Answer is Meghnad Saha. Meghna, Meghnad Saha. Meghnad Saha. The next question, please read carefully. He is molecular biologist. He was awarded the 1968 Nobel Prize in Medicine. Children, again you write the question. When you will just do the questions in exams, no need to copy down the questions. You will write the answer only. But here you will write the question also. So he is molecular biologist. He was awarded the 1968 Nobel Prize in Medicine. Children, please write the answer. Then we will check it later on. Next, this garden is one of the tourist attraction of Kolkata. It has a 250 years old banyan tree. So the first answer, as I told you, Meghnad Saha, right? And second question was there, he is a molecular biologist. He was awarded the 1968 Nobel Prize in Medicine. And the answer is Hargobind Khurana, Hargobindkhorana, Khurana. The last, this garden is one of the tourist attraction of Kolkata, and it has a 250 years old banyan tree, and answer is botanical garden, BOTANICALGARDEN. Children, I repeat my words, please check the spellings also. And now it's time for assignment. We have learnt today, we have revised from lesson number 16 to lesson number 21. You will learn lesson number 22 to 28. I will give you the revision of 22 to 26. I may give you the next revision from 22 to 27, whatever. But you have to learn from lesson number 22 to 28. Thank you very much, children, for watching the video till end. Thank you very much.